just wanted to show grey funky fly and different ways to wear it with a dress. So this is grey funky fly. It has beautiful silver grey and it has lots of gorgeous blues and oranges going on in there. So it is, I was trying to capture the jewelry colours of the fly, so, and of insects. So it is beautiful design and it just becomes quite abstract, so it's beautiful, and there's lots of black and white in there as well. So what I do is, because this is doubled, I fold the long rectangle into a square and then get the opposite corner and pull the two together and then tie that around the back of your neck. You can tie it with the hair loop and that'll keep it in place, and you can have it'll be a nice triangles over each arm. You can have it down looser or up tighter on the neck, but it's lovely even on the back, or you know, you have if you were wearing a sleeveless, it will cover the top of your arm or whatever you want to camouflage maybe. So, or you can have it that where it's tied can just sit on your shoulder, or if you had a boat neck dress or whatever, it's really nice and it brings the attention to your shoulders and the top of your neck depending on your body shape and that. So that's that one, and you can also just drape it nicely over your dress, which is really nice, but it completely enhances it. You know, it's just a completely enhance your outfit, or a plain colour, block colour dress with a beautiful draping of a silk scarf over your shoulders or whatever. You know, really nice, just drape it nicely, you know, getting that. So you want to drape that over there and you want to hold it into place, so you grab you get it to the desired effect. Then you get both sides are being held in the hair loop, and you can pull that tightly or loosely as you like, but and have the knot thing on your shoulder, and it just looks really nice, and just it has a different effect and it totally enhances your outfit, and you know, you're still showing off all of the beautiful design. The feather range that I have, the Proud Peacock, those feathers look incredible. I'll do another video on those, but I just wanted to show how gorgeous this scarf is as well, as you know, just draped over. And you know, because it's such good silk, it drapes really nicely and it completely enhances an outfit. You know, that's what people mean by having a key piece, which is what a silk scarf is. You don't have to have an expensive dress or whatever on, but once you just enhance it with something that is, you know, is something like heavy silk and that has a lovely design, you completely change an outfit, and just it just looks better, and you have all of those colours and you have that beautiful feeling to your skin, and it keeps you cool and keeps you warm, and you know, it's not like it's wool or anything like that, but it has all those fabulous properties of silk, which is keeps you cool in the summer and keeps you warm in the winter. But great, you know, in the evenings, or that, just to have it draped over your shoulders. But and you can have it, you know, you don't have to be wearing it like that. You can still roll it nicely, you know, in a more casual way, or that way where you're making it long and voluminous as well, or you can roll it neatly and bring out whatever colours you like and just do that, and you still have these nice draping going on, and maybe you could tie it there again with this thing and pull that out, and it ends up looking like a kind of a flower or something there. Pull that to the side. You have all those lovely black and white, so gorgeous with a black dress either, or cream, or those blues. You can pull out any of those, and of course that way can look very glamorous looking too, you know, and have a lot of the draping and this nice thing going on to the side. So yeah, you can try out a couple of those.